What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do something absolutely insane. I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 5 different ways real people right here in America are making $500 a day, every single day, from the comfort of their own homes. And the best part? I'm going to break it down so you can do it too. This isn't some crazy clickbait. These are legitimate, proven methods that are changing lives, and we are looking ahead to 2025 to give you the ultimate advantage. These are the best work-from-home ideas you'll find anywhere, exactly what it takes, how to get started, and the real potential for making serious money. Forget your 9-to-5 for a second. Imagine an extra $500 a day, $15,000 a month. Stay till the end, because the 5th one might be the easiest and the most lucrative. You're not going to want to miss it. Let's get right into it. Alright, first up. Sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's 100% real. People are making bank with it. We're talking about freelance AI consulting. Right now, every business, from a local pizza shop to massive corporations, is trying to figure out AI. AI can save them time and make them more money, but most have no idea where to start. That's where you come in. You become the expert, the guide, the AI whisperer. You don't need to code. This is about using existing tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation platforms. Show businesses how to implement them. Content in minutes, customer support chatbots, better visuals, on demand. You are literally selling them a superpower, and they are desperate for it. Charge a one-time $1,000 to set up a simple AI workflow. 1 client a day and you're past your $500 goal. Or charge $2,000 a month on retainer. 2 or 3 clients equals serious, consistent income. Start by learning tools over a weekend, build a simple portfolio, then reach out. I help businesses save 10 hours a week with AI, free for 15 minutes. Frame it in results. Not, I'll set up an AI, but I will increase your sales by 20% with AI-powered lead gen. This is the ground floor of a revolution, and 2025 only expands the opportunity. Okay, for our second side hustle, we're diving into e-commerce, with a twist. No inventory at home. Print on demand. Imagine a store selling t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, phone cases, posters, without owning any stock. You make a design, funny slogan, cool graphic, or niche passion like dogs, hiking, gaming. Upload to Printify or Printful, place it on products, and connect to Etsy or Shopify. Customer clicks buy. The order auto-sends to the printer. They print, package, and ship directly to your customer. You never touch the product. Provider charges $12, you keep $13. 40 shirts a day, that's over $500 in profit. Key: find a passionate niche. Be specific. Like corgi owners who love coffee. You don't need to be an artist. Simple text sells, funny quotes, inspirational lines, inside jokes. Design quickly with Canva, or hire a $10 designer on Fiverr. Your job is marketing. Run Facebook, TikTok ads, target niche communities, and jump on trends early. List hundreds of designs. One viral hit can pay you for years. Print on demand is low risk, high reward, stack profitable designs to hit $500 a day. If you spend hours on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, what if you turn that habit into a high-paying career? Remote social media management. Businesses are desperate for a strong online presence, but they lack time and skills. Your role: be the brand's voice. Create and schedule posts, write captions, reply to DMs, run ads, and grow their following. A great manager drives community and sales. An investment that pays. Many will pay $1,000, $2,000 a month. 3 clients at $2,000 is $6,000, a bit over $200 a day. To hit $500 a day, add a few more clients or sell premium packages. Work anywhere, batch a month of content in an afternoon with schedulers. Get your first client by offering 1 month free. Walk in with a plan and execute like crazy. Make great content, use quality stock when needed, and engage with their followers daily. Show clear wins. We gained 200 followers, or this post reached 10,000 and brought 5 customers. Build pro-social pages, post marketing tips, DM owners on LinkedIn, and pitch in person. Offer ads, email, and weekly short-form video with $1,500 basic or $3,000 growth. If you get internet culture, enjoy creating, and communicate well, you can build a profitable one-person agency from your couch. If you're good at anything, sourdough, puppy training, Excel, you can package it into an online course that pays while you sleep. Record yourself or your screen, teach step-by-step, structure beginner to advanced, upload to platforms where millions search for courses every month. Create something like the Ultimate Sourdough Guide, publish, and let platforms market to their massive audiences. Price $100. After platform cut, save $50 per sale. 10 sales a day equals $500. You build it once, and it can sell daily for years. I'm not an expert, you just need to know more than your student. If you can design in Canva or perfected garage organization, that's a course. You don't need Hollywood, smartphone, a $50 mic, and free editing software work. Research platforms. Find what's hot and spot gaps, like iPhone food photography for Instagram. Promote yourself, share tips on socials, YouTube, and blogs. Link your course. Think of it like a book that pays royalties forever. A true digital asset. Upfront effort, massive long-term upside. This can change your financial future. The most lucrative and the most stable. Virtual bookkeeping. Every business must track every penny in and out. Most owners hate it, it's confusing, and they fear messing up with the IRS. Your job: categorize transactions, reconcile accounts, and generate reports. Keep records clean. It's 100% remote, clients anywhere, no in-person needed. Typical packages are around $500 a month for a few hours of work. 10 clients equals $5,000 a month, about $200 a day. 30 clients gets you to $15,000 a month, $500 a day. Don't know bookkeeping? Learn it in months. CERT programs teach software, skills, and client getting. Get clients the same way. Network, talk to owners, join local business groups, partner with accountants, they'll refer monthly bookkeeping to you, specialize later. E-commerce or construction specialists charge more, hire other bookkeepers and scale, a multi-6 or 7-figure agency from your laptop. This is essential and recession-proof, with high income, flexibility, and security. If you're organized and detail-oriented, bookkeeping is your ticket to $500 a day and beyond. And there you have it. 5 powerful side hustles real Americans are using to make $500 a day in 2025. AI consulting, print on demand, social media management, online courses, and virtual bookkeeping. These aren't just ideas, they're blueprints for a new life. Financial freedom from home is more real than ever. The internet has leveled the playing field. It takes a decision to start and the dedication to learn. You have the information, now take action. Which one got you most excited? Comment below with what you'll start today. If this helped, destroy that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.